Another beautiful day in Ocala. We've got a couple of simple projects we're going to do today. Yesterday we identified some fences that need to come down. They're not really serving any purpose. They're actually kind of taking up valuable real estate. They already have some rotten fence posts in them and they really don't benefit the farm operation at all. So we're going to clear some of those fences out today. We took one down yesterday, did it the old-fashioned way with a hammer, and it was slow. So today we decided we're going to use our tractor with a grapple hook to gently take the boards off to see if there's any salvageable boards that we can use for fence mending elsewhere, so we don't really tear it up, and it'll speed up the process. So let's get started. So we got this section of fence here. It's probably about I'd say 30 feet long, and it's standing between us and a potential driveway. One of the guest houses has got a garage that we're adding to it, and the garage door is right there. And the driveway takes you over to the apartments. The garage entrance is right over there on the other side of those palm trees. Well, the palm trees aren't going to go anywhere. They're nice. We're going to keep those. So there's the fence. Wow, as you can see, that's a heck of a lot better than doing it with a claw hammer. And the boards are kind of rotten, but actually we've got some boards there we can probably cut into strips for mending fences, but they weren't really worth the effort to take it apart by hand and beat all the nails out. That's just more effort than I need to. The boards have pretty much outlived their life. So if we're going to go to the trouble of replacing that much of a board on a fence, we're going to replace it with a new one, okay? So getting these posts out, as you can see, was so simple. Trying to wrestle that out of the ground by trying to pick it up with your arms and bear hug it and do all that kind of stuff. I've done that a couple times. It's just crazy. So the tractor, I can't say enough about a tractor on a farm. You know, if you got a farm, you got to have the tractor. Simple as that. That will save you so much time and money, and it'll get a job done quicker, and it's actually a lot of fun. So I love my tractor. We'll talk more about tractors and horsepower and what you ought to buy and what you shouldn't buy in another episode. So let's take this last little piece of fence down. So, folks, 8 minutes, and that was with me talking to you on the camera. So the only thing I got to do left is I got to take these boards, and if there's any ones salvageable, and I'm kind of thinking they're not. If they are salvageable, I'll look at the piece, I'll cut it with my rotary saw, and I'll put it over in our scrap pile for mending fences. I've got 4 posts that are in pretty good shape. One of them is rotten at the bottom, so I've got at least 2 posts that are good. I got to pound the nails down. The last thing I'll do is got to fill these holes, which are about 2 to 3 feet deep, and I got to fill those so people don't step in them and break their ankle, break their leg, or a horse doesn't do that. But more than the how-to of how to take a fence down, it's more about how not to work hard on a farm. Heavens knows there's a lot of hard work on a farm. Some things you just have to do it the manual way, and you're going to sweat, and it's just going to take you a while. But on stuff like this, use what tools you have. and use the hydraulics and the power of your tractor. And it takes a job that would have taken me an hour down to 8 minutes. There you go. So enough said about that. So thanks for watching this brief little episode on how not to work hard.